What's going on YouTube? County Gains back here again. So today guys, just want to basically thank you for the 5,000 subscribers. I said that I'd be doing a bunch of different videos for this, but I basically decided on just doing this one. So I wanted to hand out like, you know, €500 or a bunch of money to just random students and stuff in town, guys, because I remember back in the day being in college and shit like that, not having any money. I thought it'd be a funny idea, but I decided instead, guys, I still don't have any money myself. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 500 push-ups, guys, for 500,000 or for 5,000 subscribers. So make sure to hit that like button, comment down below what you guys want to see next. Also subscribe. I have time and date set up here, guys. So it's 14:55:08. So you guys can just tell that I'm not obviously scamming these push-ups. This is gonna be super hard, guys. For reference, I'm 6'3" exactly, at 223 pounds, something like that, which is like 102 kilos, something like that. So this is gonna be pretty hard, guys. I don't know how even can I do 500 push-ups. You know, I used to be like David Goggins and shit and be able to do that. So these push-ups don't go. Hopefully before the old dinner, guys. So the next hour, I'm gonna be doing the chef rush. You know what I mean, pumping type push-ups, guys. So do not be hating on the form. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's go. First 25 done. Oh Lord, it's gonna be a long day. Alright guys, we got 105 so far. I'm already pretty knackered, guys. Huff and wind. This weight, man, I think I need to go on a cut. I think I'm gonna cut down to like 210 during the summer. But I did that pretty fast, guys. Did that in about 6 minutes, 100 push-ups, which isn't fast. Actually, now that I look at that, that's really slow actually. But we're trying, guys. That's the main objective. So this is gonna be like an endurance type thing, guys. You know, my endurance is kind of gone to shit because I gained like 35 pounds pretty quickly, but we're gonna keep going. Let's go. Done, and I didn't realize it was World Human Rights Day, so these are definitely a breach of human rights, but this is straight torture, but we proceed. Guys, 385 done. We're at 352. I had to take a break for like 10 minutes, guys, because my body literally seized up. So let's keep going. Come on. We'll get this done. One more. Let's go. Alright guys, we got that final 20 and it took us more than an hour, like an hour and 10, and this is the wake-up call for me to do more cardio, but I feel kind of fit. You know, I didn't, you know, bitch out on them. The time is this on, hold on a sec guys, it's still Friday, December 10th, probably gonna go out and get absolutely shit-faced. Week 49. December 10th, and we got the last 10. We're just gonna set up here and do, or the last 20 I mean. So yeah guys, my chest has seized up, my arms have seized up. I've completely just seized up guys, and this is absolutely ridiculous. Shout out to Orange Peanut for this idea. I did not even believe I could do 500 push-ups. Obviously they're all half push-ups and Chef Rush style, but we're gonna move with them guys anyway, guys. I'm absolutely dead. I'm a dead man. And yeah, let's try to get the last 20 if we can, guys. Alright guys, there you guys have it. The last 20, super weak. I'm absolutely dead. I'm about to have a ton of salmon, 500 push-ups, absolutely wrecked guys. Oh my god, my chest and arms are seizing up. As I said guys, yeah, I trained chest today and I ran cardio, so not a good idea to train while doing a challenge. And oh my god, thank god I have all my work done, but I have to edit these videos guys. So like, comment, subscribe guys, love you guys all, and I'm out.
Biatch.